Good morning again, brothers and sisters in the hustle of trading. How are you guys today? How are you guys today? Yesterday was a good day on the market for me. I hope the case was same for you. Listen, you will probably never have a bad day on the market if you follow rules. I promise you. Rules of waiting for confirmation, rules of not over trading. You'll probably have a lost day, but not a bad day. Bad days on the market are just bad days. And a bad day in the market can so mess you up that until you do a mental refix, you might just keep having bad days. Until you pause and just refix yourself mentally, the days might just continue getting bad from there. So try to not have a bad day trading. And what will help you to not have a bad day trading is to always religiously follow your rules. Religiously. Seriously, religiously follow rules. So anyway, I make my lines short because they make me see clearer. So this is just so you understand why this seems like he's standing on his own. I am not crazy. I am not crazy. It just helped me see a lot better when I do stuff like that. Short lines, because also I'm a day trader, right? So I just work with my zones per day. So no matter what I marked on the chart, when I get on the chart in the morning, I'm cleaning it up for a fresh look into the market. I color code my charts, and it helps me also see clearer. Maybe I should just explain it again why I color code my charts. I color code my charts because they help me. So my red is for daily, green is for 4 hour, then blue is for the lower time frame. This way I'm able to know where price is at per time without having to navigate back and forth into the bigger time frames. I still do, but I'm just aware. I know where I am just like that without doing anything much. And yeah, the blue is for the lower time frame, which is 1 hour and below. 1 hour and below. So yeah, what are we looking at, people, on Nasdaq? What are we looking at on Nasdaq? Price is at the support right now. Price at the support right now. If this candle, how is price at the support? We have bearish candle, we have bullish candle, and we have a bullish-ish candle. So if this candle should close bullish, depends on how big it is, because I am very big on risk management. I don't do anything more than, I don't see four. So what I mean by I don't see four is my stop loss zones will not be more than 39 pips or 390 pips, depending on what you call it. That's what I mean by I don't see four. Once it's above that, I am not entering that trade. So if this closes bullish and we're still in a good zone like this is right now, if it closes bullish, you can enter a trade as much as it is ranging. But look here, there's a way we trade range. We trade range by the width of the range. This is a 35 pip range. Okay, so if this should close bullish, I will have to wait for price to pull down a little bit to where I can get a 35 pip range by the time price goes up. But to be in all honesty, the best place to buy in this market right now will be a break above this point. If price breaks and close above here, good area to buy to go long. If price pushes down and gives a bullish confirmation from here, good place to buy to go up. As for sales, where will I even want to sell? This is another zone. As for sales, if price pushes down and close below here, there is this zone here for price to reject. You see? There's this zone. Hold on, I need to see this on the 4 hour. So make sure I did it right. Yeah, it looks quite right there, but on the 30 minutes it looks funny. Okay, let's do this. Let's do it this way. Good. So if price close and break below here, there is this zone where price can also reject again. So in areas where there are all these funny and choppy markets, if the range is not big, I avoid it. So what is the range in this area? Under 30 pip range. So if price comes and close below here. I don't know, depends on the volume and how the market is moving. I might not sell because it's a little range and it can return anywhere. All of these areas are choppy. The best place for me to sell will be if price comes and close below here. Then I know I have this clean range on this side to sell to go down. But if we get price to push all the way now to this top and it gives us a bearish confirmation in this area, we can be able to sell because there's a possibility that if price rejects this area again, it might push all the way down. So you see how I figure out these zones? Please follow my thought process and it will help you. So if price gives this confirmation around this point, as long as it closes above this previous bearish candle, I could just enter a small position because, and the reason why I enter a small position is because the range doesn't look very promising to me. But then if price closes and breaks above this point, I can now add positions to go long. That is pretty much everything. This Nasdaq video has gotten longer than I planned. But I wish you guys a good day trading, a beautiful weekend ahead. Please do everything within your power to ensure that you go back reflecting on your trades, use it to learn and improve. It's all about improvement. Forget about making money for now. Just focus on being productive and focus on being consistent doing the right thing. I repeat, consistent in doing the right thing. You know, in other businesses, consistency is all you need, but in trading, you can consistently be doing wrong and you consistently fail. So you need to consistently do the right thing so that you can consistently benefit. Woo! That sounds like a rhyme, guys. Come on, put a beat on that. Peace out. Have a beautiful weekend. Cheers.